Hey guys, this is Hassan from Bangladesh, and I could share some of my great results that I've been getting for last few months, and the results are really incredible. I really wanted to thank John for his training and all of those inspirational videos that he upload almost every day. I have done his super affiliate system and his internet jet set program. Videos there are very informative. It's not about just you learn the methods from his training. Basically what you get is the action steps. All the thing you can do is explained there. Basically I have been doing his training since last year, from November 2016, and then I also did mentorship with Carlos. I'm going to show you all the results that I've been getting for last few months directly from my Volume account and also from my Facebook business manager, so you can understand how I'm doing, what kind of ads I'm running, and what the ROI I'm getting nowadays. What I can tell you is I am basically getting somewhere from 200% to 300% ROI from my ads, and some days this is almost 700+% ROI every day I'm making from affiliate marketing. And I was finally able to get the financial freedom that I was looking for last few years, and finally I have the financial freedom now. And in last 3 months I basically traveled almost 3 countries to attend 3 rock concert as well. So this month, just a couple of days ago, I was in Bangkok, and I enjoyed the show of Dream Theater. Then in April I was in Bangkok again. I attended the Coldplay show. Then I was in China, in Guangzhou. It was a concert of Steve Vai. He's a great guitar player in the world. So right now I have the freedom to be anywhere I want, and yeah, basically you can do what you want. You don't have to be in any specific location to make money. You can simply make money traveling the world, and basically while sleeping. Yeah, that's the concept of the online business. So yeah, I was very so this is my Volume account, and as you can see my name here. And so Volume is a tool for tracking for performance for your traffic and conversions, and basically you can manage all your campaigns in one place. So this tool is a very massive thing, and this gives you an enormous amount of data that you will never get anywhere, and basically it will help you to optimize your ads easily and more efficiently. So anyway, so let me show how much money I have made past few months. And again, let me tell you, I am doing affiliate marketing actively just for 3 months now. And the first month was all about setting up Facebook business manager, warming up the ad account, and getting ready to launch a campaign. So basically I run campaign in just 2 months now. So this is the earning of the July and the second month of my affiliate marketing, and I made almost $3,000 in a month from just one campaign. And as you can see, I got 4,700 visits to my lander, then 472 clicks to my offer, and 76 conversions. So that's a 16% conversion rate. And also the EPC, which means earning per click, is 5.96, almost $6 I'm making per click. So what it means is if you get a click lower than this amount, then you are making profit. But guess what, I'm getting a click at less than $1, and I'll show that in a minute. And now let's see the next month, or the third month of my affiliate marketing. So the visit what I got in August is almost 10,000, over 10,000 visit, then 1,000 click, and conversion was 227. So that's a 3-time improvement from the same campaign. So basically it's called the scale up. So what I did is I simply increased the advertising budget 100%, and what I got in return is a 300% increase in my revenue. So also see the CTR here. CTR is almost 10%, conversion rate is over 20%, and that's really incredible. And see the EPC, it's over $8 now. So I'm making almost $9 from each click I get to my offer page. So isn't it incredible? So you know what, that's not all. Basically that's not all. Now let me show you even more exciting things that's working in the background. So that's the ads I'm running from Facebook Ads Manager. So let me bring the ad manager. See, this is my ad manager from where I'm running my ad campaigns in Facebook. So this is the month of July, and I spent almost $1,080 in ads. Yeah, so how much was my earning in July? It was $2,812. And how much did I spend in July? You see, July, so it was $1,000 investment in ads, you see, and I got almost 300% ROI in July. The cost per click is $20.20. So yeah, and the CPC, overall CPC was 50 cents, and I have basically tested 11 ad sets here. And now let me show you the month of August. So basically I simply increased the budget and turn off the ad set that was not profitable, and increase the budget, and increase the budget that ad set was making profit. So that's a very basic rule of marketing, and it's nothing about any tricks or any special golden nuggets. See, the total spend was $2,698, so that's almost $2,700 in ad spent in August. And let's see how much I made in August. So yeah, that's almost 8,400 US dollar. So that's almost 300% ROI. So the cost per click was almost the same here. So what happened is Facebook is giving me more targeted traffic when I increased my ad budget. So now I can simply increase my budget, and I'll be able to make more money, and I can scale up my campaigns from $1,000 per day to even $5,000 per day, just by increasing my daily ad spend. So still I'll be making this kind of ROI from the same campaigns. And I want to show you 3 magic days of my affiliate journey, and those 3 days made me over $2,000 in just 3 days. So first it was 7th August, and you see I made over $700 in one day, and the ad spend was just $100. So that's a 700% return of investment. Then there's another one that was 20th August. You see, I made $629 in 20th August, and again the ad spend was just $100. So that's another 629% return of my investment. And then again, you see, the 23rd August I made again $703. So that's another 700% return of investment. And you can see the other days. Let's see, I'm making almost $370, then $333, then $555, then $444. So basically I'm making a lot of money from my campaign each and every day. So it's basically not difficult to make money online from affiliate marketing, and if I can make it, then I think anyone can do it. Basically, I'm living in such a country where the standard salary of corporate job is somewhere from $400 to $500 maximum. And as you can see from my online business, my affiliate business, I'm making somewhere from $8,000 to $10,000 per month just from one campaign. I can easily make almost 2 years salary in a month, and this is just from one of my campaign, and you can literally increase your income just by creating few other campaigns. Let's say right now I'm promoting an offer in skincare niche. I can easily increase my income just by duplicating the same process in maybe some other vertical or some other product in the same vertical. So yeah, this is really possible. If I can make this from Bangladesh, so I think anyone can do this from anywhere around the world. It doesn't matter where you are from, it doesn't matter who you are. Basically, if you can concentrate on what you are doing, and if you are consistent and you know what you are doing, then basically anyone can do this. And again, I would like to thank John again for his great training material that has literally transformed me, that has literally made my life beautiful, and the dream income I was looking for. And I also want to thank my mentor Carlos Cruz and his team for helping me out with the landing pages, with the contents, and how to run ads, and for everything. Basically, when I started affiliate marketing, I really didn't know how to run Facebook ad even, and how to manage an ad, how to manage ad manager and all those things. So basically, Carlos really helped me a lot to do everything. He taught me how to create an ad campaign, how to warm up a Facebook business manager, how to make a campaign profitable. So everything he just made the process very easy for me. And thank you, Carlos, as well, because you guys really had to give a lot of time for me. And in the beginning I was very slow because all the things was very new for me, so it was difficult for me to grab the information and those things. So those guys was really patient with me. They gave me a lot of time, helped me understand how the things are going. So yeah, thank you, Carlos, and thank you, John, for all of your efforts that you've been giving for me.